Hey, got Todd, Kristen, and Peter here telling you a little bit about Source's Urban Ministry Training Restore and our summer internship here coming up in 2022. The last 2 years has incredibly been epic here. You know about all the different things that happened in 2020. Source has been able to give millions of pounds of food in this last 18 months. We've seen hundreds of individuals come to Christ. We've started different food programs as well as family stability and teen internships. And all that is going to just continue to grow in 2022. It's been a significant time here. These are the rebuilding years of Minneapolis. Typically after riots, urban areas really take a big hit. These are the neighborhoods that were really the epicenter. And so right now our prayer is that we would see a restoration and a kingdom rebuilding happening right here, right now.
So you who are watching, you have a heart for the Lord, you have a heart to love people well, you have a heart for more, and you want to know how you can make a difference. So we're inviting you to come this June. It's a 1-week intensive, it's an 8-week internship, and as you come and are a part of that process, we're going to train, we're going to activate, we're going to equip, we're going to build community. You don't need to have any experience necessary. We're going to have times of seeking the Lord together, and then we're going to go out and be the hands and feet of Jesus and partner with Source and other ministries in the area to love people well and to be a part of this restoration and rebuilding process that Jesus is doing here in Minneapolis.
We're going to get an active opportunity to be the hands and feet and actually go out and affect communities. And being somebody who's from the South Side, understanding the history, understanding the culture, things that will be able to tie you into any area you go. And we'll have periods of education on not only showing you how to do it, but why it works and how it's going to work in your community too.
It's been such a blessing this last year, and so will 2022, that this is a part, Source is a part of collaborating, I should say, with many different ministries, many different churches, individuals. So we really want to implore you to come. 2022, you're going to see the homeless outreach. We have a teen internship program going on. We have an expanded food program, Latino outreach beginning. Our anti-trafficking program will have residents getting on their feet. And so again, I just will implore you to pray about coming, being a part of this. It'll be an opportunity that you'll never forget. And our hope and what we've seen, it's also going to be an equipping and empowering time that beyond this summer will affect your personal life with the Lord as well as how you expand the kingdom.
Yeah, so if you are in our local area, this is your backyard. Come, I guarantee you're going to learn things that you never knew. You're going to have God's heart for the city and his people just awoken in your life. If you are from all over the United States, you're watching, you're from another country, we want to come. We have housing, we have food, we have all of that set up. If your heart is stirring as you're watching this, please pray about this, read more, click, fill out an application. Your life's never going to be the same again, and you're going to be a part of seeing restoration come to this beautiful and incredible area.
Amen. Heart stirring heart.
Yay!
Heart is stirring.
I don't have any pop-pop.
Is that a heart? Does this even make
Yeah.
stirring?
Kind of.
Yep.
Stirring. Heart.